On Samford's campus, the longest-serving chef to the White House ever, Chef Roland Mesnier. Hired by Rosalind Carter in 1979, Chef Mesnier, an executive pastry chef, served under 5 presidents, from Jimmy Carter to his retirement under George W. Bush.
He had one question for me. Roland, you still leaving us? Why are you leaving us? That you're not happy with us? I said, Mr. President, I love it here. I love to be with you and your family. But there's certain thing I need to address. And beside that, Mr. President, I wrote a book. I need to go publish my book. He said, book? What is the book about? How to kill a president? I said, no, sir. This is a nice book. You will love it. So we had a good laugh about that.
His visit to Samford includes a history of food at the White House, but also a chance to make something he's known for, gingerbread houses, this time for Birmingham's Children's Harbor, with the help of Samford's nutrition and dietetic students and friends.
That's the butter over the gravy, if you will. When you know, children are so, they just love that. That's make their moment, because not only they love to see it, but they know they can get to eat it, which is a double sense of greatness.
And telling old stories is fun, but it's helping young people that's a focus for him in retirement, which made his visit to Samford very special.
When I can pass on something to the younger generation, try to maybe make a little bit of a difference, that makes me very happy. That's where I will go spend my time rather than anywhere else in the world, is with the young people for the new generation.
For Samford University, I'm Brad Radisi.